So today we have with us Dr. Kalyani Deshmukh, who is a renowned Indian classical singer and has been also awarded by the government of India. She has staged many performances in US, Europe, and Asian countries. Dr. Kalyani is the daughter-in-law of dear Baba lover Dr. C.D. Deshmukh and wife of Dr. Prabodh Deshmukh. She is the disciple of Mr. Manohar Barve, a prominent Indian classical singer, and staying in the same house where Baba used to stay during his visit to Nagpur. The house, I'm told, is maintained in the same condition. And today, Dr. Kalyani Deshmukh has spared her precious time while her daughter is working with the COVID section for the conditions right now in a hospital. She has spared time to come and be with us for the East West Satsang. Thank you, Kalyani ji, for being there with us. Now you can please unmute your mic.
Thank you very much. Thank you all Baba lovers. Jai Baba to you all. I'm very happy to share this meeting with you and really consider myself very lucky that I am with you today. Well, um, uh, I was married in 1968 and my father-in-law we were a joint family, so um, my father-in-law was there for 14 years of my married life, and I have met many Baba lovers who used to meet my father-in-law at that time, and we used to gather together to sing bhajans and all that. So I have a very good memory of being in Baba's presence through his disciples, and I'm very happy to be with you. And I think I remember to have met Mr. Irwin Luck also uh, when he was here and to meet my father-in-law. Well, this is really a privilege that after so many years, almost 5 decades, that I am singing for you all. Last year also I had sung for almost for the first time at Meheraza on Baba's birthday, and that was a wonderful occasion to be remembered. Well, without losing more time, I would like to introduce what I'm going to sing now. All the devotional songs that I'm going to sing are penned in Hindi and in Indian language, which you may not understand. So I have decided to give some explanation of what is penned by those saints in India. So all in all, according to the time that is given to me, I may sing 3 or 4 bhajans and conclude my program by singing Arati written by my father-in-law, Dr. C.D. Deshmukh.
Kalyani
So,
ji, we have
yes.
time. We have time. So please
Okay.
sing more than 4 songs. We will let you know
Okay.
as long as you are
Okay.
not tired. So we are all
Thank
ears
you.
and heart for Baba and your
Yeah.
offering to Baba. Thank you so much. Jai
Thank you.
Baba. Jai Meher
Thank you
Baba.
so much. So I shall begin with the first devotional song, which is written by Saint Kabir, who was born in between 14th to 15th century. He was an ardent, passionate devotee who worshipped the omnipresent Almighty as an abstract entity that is formless but all pervading presence, that's like omnipresent, seen and felt in all the animate and inanimate things in the universe, and also in the form identity of the master, as is known as Sagun and Nirgun devotion. In the first bhajan, that is a devotional song, Kabir seeks the guidance from the perfect master to help the disciple, which we call as sadhak, to cross the ocean of mortal life. In this, he says, "O my dear Lord, my Master, who will steer the ship of my mortal life to reach the ultimate goal for salvation other than you. This journey is full of hurdles, obstacles created by our primal needs like lust, anger, and greed. The saint addresses the disciple, that is sadhak, means who is in ardent search for salvation. The disciple asks the God, the master, that he asks him, the master asks the disciple to surrender himself to the Almighty and Almighty. In this, the wordings are like this: गुरु बिना कौन बतावे बाट, बड़ा बिकट यमघाट, गुरु बिना कौन बतावे बाट. भ्रांति की पहाड़ी नदिया बीच अहंकार की बड़ा बिकट यमघाट, गुरु बिना कौन बतावे बाट, गुरु बिना, गुरु बिना, गुरु बिना कौन बतावे बाट, बड़ा बिकट यमघाट, बड़ा बिकट यमघाट, कौन बतावे बाट, गुरु बिना कौन बतावे बाट. काम क्रोध दो पर्वत ठाड़े, काम क्रोध दो पर्वत ठाड़े, लोभ चोर संघात, लोभ चोर संघात, बड़ा बिकट यमघाट, कौन बतावे बाट, कौन बतावे बाट, गुरु बिना कौन बतावे बाट, गुरु बिना कौन बतावे बाट. मद मच्छर का मधुमत्सर का मैं बरसता मधुमत्सर का मैं बरसत माया पवन बहजाट माया पवन बहजाट कौन बतावे बाट गुरु बिना कौन बतावे बाट कहत कबीरा कहत कबीरा सुनो भाई साधो कहत कबीरा सुनो भाई साधो सुन भाई साधो साधो कहता कबीरा सुनो भाई साधो क्यों तरना यह घाट क्यों तरना यह घाट कौन बतावे बाट गुरु बिना कौन बतावे बाट बड़ा बिकट यमघाट बड़ा बिकट यमघाट बड़ा बिकट यमघाट कौन 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 बतावे बाट Thank you so much. Now I shall present the second devotional song, and that song is written by Saint Mirabai, who hailed from a royal family, married into a royal family of Rajasthan in India 5 decades back. Her devotion to Lord Krishna is known as Madhura Bhakti. She sees and thinks of her Lord as her soulmate, as her beloved. Here, her love and her love object merges into each other. So, there doesn't exist separate identity at all. But because of her being in the mortal form, she is experiencing the acute pain of separation from her beloved Lord, her Master, Lord Krishna. Her intense longing for the union with the Lord, in this devotional song, she is ardently asking her Lord to come and meet her. She says, I have forsaken all my worldly belongings and I am wandering here and there, looking for you everywhere. So, my Lord, please come, please come. It is said that her love was divine love, known as Parabhakti in Indian spiritual literature. Devotion, which is accompanied by extreme restlessness of the heart felt and ceaseless longing to unite with her beloved. In this, the wording of this bhajan is Bansiwala Ajo Mharo Des. It is based on classical rag Manj Khamaj. कर गया रे, कर गया कौन अनेक, गिनता गिनता घिस गई मारी आंगलियारी रेख रे, बंसीवाला बंसीवाला आजो रे मारू देश, मारो देश आजो रे मारो देश, बंसीवाला आजो आजो रे मारो देश। थारी सावरी सूरत वालो, सूरत वालो थारी सावरी सूरत वालो भेस रे, आजो रे मारो देश, मारो देश मारो देश, मारो देश, मारो 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 देश। जो गण बनी में बन बन हेरो, जो गण बनी में जो गण बनी में जो गण बनी में बन बना हेरो, जो गण बनी में बन बन हेरो, तेरा न पायो भेस, तेरा न पायो भेस, तेरा न पायो भेस, तेरे कारण जोगन बनी मैं, तेरे धर लिया भगवा भेस रे, आवो जे मारो देश, मारो देश, आओ मारो देश, आओ मारो देश। मोर मुकुट पीतांबर झारे, मोर मुकुट मोरा मुकुट मोरा मुकुट पीतांबर धारे, पीतांबर धारे, पीतांबर धारी, घुंघरवालो केशर मेरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर, मीना के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर, दोनों बढ़ो सनेस रे, आवो मारो देश, आवो मारो देश, आवो मारो देश, आवो मारो देश रे, थारी सावरी सूरत वालो भेस रे, बंसीवाला जो रे मारो देश, बंसीवाला जो रे जो रे जो रे मारो देश। Now another devotional song which I am going to present is again written by Mirabai. In which sorry, in this devotional song, Mirabai says, she addresses the Lord again, and she says again that, "O my Lord, my Master, the boat of my mortal life is sinking deep in the river of life. Please help me reach to the other side of the bank where my destination is awaiting, destination to meet you is awaiting. I am awaiting my destination to meet you. I have prepared myself, equipped myself with the knowledge and the spiritual practices to be worthy of meeting you as a disciple and completely surrendering myself to your lotus feet." नदिया गहरी नदिया गहरी नाव पुरानी नदिया गहरी नाव पुरानी डूबत जहाज तरा डूबत जहाज तरा प्रभु जी मोरी प्रभु जी मोरी प्रभु जी मोरी नाव किनारे लगा प्रभु जी मोरी नाव किनारे लगा 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 ज्ञान ध्यान की सांकड़ बांधी जय ज्ञान ध्यान की सांकड़ बांधी ज्ञान ध्यान की सांकड़ बांधी ज्ञान ध्यान की सांगड़ बांधी ज्ञान ध्यान की सांगड़ बांधी ज्ञान ध्यान के सांगड़ बांधी दौड़े दौड़े प्रभु दौड़े दौड़े प्रभु नाव किनारे लगा नाव किनारे लगा नाव किनारे लगा नाव नाव किनारे लगा प्रभु जी मोरे नाव किनारे लगा मेरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर मेरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर, गिरिधर नागर, गिरिधर नागर, मेरा के प्रभु, मेरा के प्रभु, मेरा के प्रभु गिरिधरा नागर, गिरिधर नागर, मेरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर, मेरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर, गिरिधर नागर, पकड़ो उनके पाव, पकड़ो उनके पाव, मोरी नाव किनारे लगाव, नाव किनारे लगाव, प्रभु जी मोरे नाव किनारे लगाव, प्रभु जी मोरे नाव किनारे लगाव। माझ्या भजनाची वही आणली तर मी म्हणू शकेन. तू तिकडे कुठे सापडणार आहे तुला? ते हिरवं बाईंड बुक आहे भजनाचं. गाण्याचं फुल येते का पहा. म्हणू का की आय एम बीन रिक्वेस्टेड टू सिंग अनदर. वेल, there is a request from somebody to sing another bhajan, but I'm looking for it, so it might take a few seconds to find out that bhajan.
No problem. Please sing what you have, Kalyani ji, till then.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. I'll get up and find out that. Is it okay? ते म्हणतात ते रंग राग बदलतो मग. Okay. I will sing whatever I have decided to sing, and चल. तिला नाही सापडणार ते मला. हा, तू कर, मी बोलते. सुरू. हा, हॅलो. हा, म्हणते ऑन कर. त्यांना तू बोलताना आवाज नको, तू बोल. हे डिस्क्रिप्शन नको आहे त्यांना. म्युझिक नको डिस्क्रिप्शन. अच्छा, okay. The next the bhajan which I have selected to sing is again written by Sant Kabir, in which he has in this devotional song Kabir suggests that do not look for me, that is capital Me, M and E, in the human form, and limit me in human form, because I am the omnipresent living spirit, I am the awareness, I am the consciousness, I am the universal consciousness in you, residing in you all. The conscious presence you feel and experience in the whole universe is me only. With all the conscious presence and the awareness in all the animate and inanimate things, the flora and the fauna, I am there with you. You don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to look for any form to see me or feel me. Do not try to find me in temples, in mosques, in churches, in religious places, because I am in you only, in your breath. I am not in the rituals, but I am the breath, the life, omnipresent in you all. I am there residing within you in the form of living spirit. The wordings are मोको कहाँ ढूंढे रे बंदे मैं तो तेरे पास. नाम है मंदिर, नाम है मस्जिद, ना काबे कैलाश में, नाम है जप नाम है तप में, नहीं जोग वैराग में, मैं तो तेरे पास में, मैं तो तेरे पास में, मैं तो तेरे पास में, नाम है मंदिर, नाम है मस्जिद, ना काबे कैलाश में, नाम है जप में, नाम है तप में, नहीं जोग खोजी हो तो तुरत मिली हो. Here he says that if you try to find me, you will find me. You will find me within a millisecond, fraction of a second. This is the stanza in which he says that you will find me within a fraction of a second. खोजी हो तो तुरत मिली हो, पल भर की तलाश में खोजी हो तो तुरत मिली हो. खोजी हो तो तुरत मिली हो. तुरत मिली हो, पल भर की तलाश में. कहता कबीरा कहता कबीरा कहता कबीरा कहता कबीरा कहता कबीरा सुनो मोरे साधो सुनो मोरे साधो सुनो मोरे साधो सुनो मोरे साधो सुनो मोरे साधो. कहता कबीरा सुनो मोरे साधो, मैं हूँ सबके सांस में, मैं हूँ सबके सांस में. हाँ, मैं तो तेरे पास में, मैं तो तेरे पास. मुझको कहाँ ढूंढे रे बंदे, मैं तो तेरे पास तेरे पास तेरे पास. Thank you. राहू दे मी नाही म्हणत. Now, thank you very much. I shall conclude my presentation by singing Aarti, penned by my father-in-law, Dr. C.D. Deshmukh. आरती मेहर बाबाची, चिन्मयानंद कंदाची. आरती मेहर ब्रह्माची, चिन्मयानंद कंदाची. जडो तव चरणावरी प्रीती, करीत सो मेहर तुझी आरती. आरती मेहर ब्रह्माची, चिन्मयानंद कंदाची. सत्य शिव रूप दिसे मेहर, प्रीती वल्लरी सबहर. येई लहरी वरी लहर, उसळत हर्ष सिंधू वरती. करीत सो मेहर तुझी आरती. जडो तव चरणावर प्रीती करीत सो मेहर तुझी आरती पहा नेत्रांनो शिवरूप अहं कर्पूर पाप धूप जळो मग दाखवी निज रूप उजळवी सकल आत्मज्योती करीत सो मेहर तुझी आरती जडो तव चरणावरी प्रीती करीत सो मेहर तुझी आरती मुखी प्रभा कोटी सूर्याची शीतलता परिचंद्राची शुचिता देही अमृताची आणि हृद सिंधू ते भरती आणि हृद सिंधू ते भरती करीत सो मेहर तुझी आरती आरती मेहर ब्रह्माची करीत सो मेहर तुझी आरती नित्य तव ठाई आनंद मुक्ती सुख शांतीचा कंद लागो एक मना छंद जडो तव चरणावरी प्रीती करीत सो मेहर तुझी आरती आरती मेहर ब्रह्माची चिन्मय आनंद कंदाची जडो तव चरणावरी प्रीती करीत सो मेहर तुझी आरती करीत सो मेहर तुझी आरती करीत सो मेहर तुझी आरती जय बाबा and namaste to you all.
Jai Meher Baba Kalyani ji. Thank you so much for this really, really soulful evening. We would like your daughter Bhagyashri to say a few words. Bhagyashri, would you unmute, please? Please unmute.
Yes. Good evening, good morning, everybody. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, we can hear you. Please share a few words.
I am Kalyani's daughter, and I am here today with my father. My sister is also online from Pune. Her sister, my aunt, and her daughter. I can see them also online, and we have really looked forward to this being here today with all of you, and it has been very special evening for us. Jai Shraddha, very nice to see you. Hi, she's waving to you. She's C.D. Deshmukh's daughter. And Baba, just wave your hand. This is my father. He's C.D. Deshmukh's son. Just show your hand. And
would Baba like to say a few words?
No, Baba,
okay.
Please say a few words about your say something about your being here.
Well, it's difficult to comment on this issue. It's since 1944 that I've been seeing Meher Baba. He has been in this house where I'm just in this room. Meher Baba was in this room with all of us. In fact, this is a home which has been installed by him then. And in this home, which is called Meher, and it's the name of the road is also called Avatar Meher Baba Marg. All those things have been done only in this year 2020, last year, just about 1 year back. And about Meher Baba, well, I have been remembering many things more. Since 1952, I have actually taken a movie film with Meher Baba going to USA and going from Bombay with my whole family, and my father used to take us to that place for almost every year. There's no limit to what I can say, but I was not really scheduled for this communication. And
we will have you for one whole session again, uncle. We will have you for one whole session.
This has been more luxury than what I could ever imagine in my life. But there's there's no limit to what it can be mentioned. There are several, coming to talk of it, right in front of me here in this house, there is a picture which I have drawn Meher Baba's in 1955. It is as old as that. And my daughter will show you that perhaps over there. Could you? Could you? You can take it out. Well, there is no limit. There are many, many more paintings and drawings which I have drawn with Meher Baba here. And in that context, we can see one thing which they are having presented over here. Well, there is no limit to what I could strike because I have been attending several sessions in Ahmednagar and in Pune and in Nagpur, in my own home, in Amravati, and several such occasions. I wonder, could you see those things which uh, if you could, hopefully you could see that this was not really earlier planned. It would have been more systematized.
No, Uncle, no problem if it is not happening today. This sets us to have you for a whole hour for another East-West satsang.
Well, I could hear you. So nice of you to even hear me. I can hand over the telephone now to Kalyani Deshmukh, for whom we have been organizing this program today. Ditila.
Thank you to all your family members.
We will all love to have you all here to Nagpur. Most welcome. Evdamun, ya garat.
Jai Baba.
Dhananjay,
Thank you so much for that.
this is
So, you can, Bhagyashree, if you can remove, if you can remove the speakers, then Uncle can hear us as well.
okay. Yeah, you can hear.
So we are going to have Uncle for
Jayshree
another
Atta,
special session.
my aunt Jayshree Atta, maybe she wants to say something seriously.
Please, sure.
Jayshree Atta, are you there? Jayshree Atta, where are you? She just went off video. I'm not sure. She was there
Okay.
just a minute back.
Okay,
Okay.
sure. So I'm saying that we will again get back to you.
Jayshree,
There she is.
Roshni.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. I think she's saying no.
Jayshree Atta, unmute. Can you unmute yourself?
Say something,
Phone
Jayshree.
down, Tila.
You can unmute.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I think it's getting a little too late, but I'm quite happy to be in this function, and I enjoyed the participation by so many. And I'm seeing the names of many people, though I'm not seeing everyone. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Jai Shri Ji. Jai Meher Baba.
Jai.
And I'm sure that when we have Uncle, we are going to get far more treasure of stories as well. Today we got the blissful singing from Kalyani Ji, and from Uncle we can get a lot of stories. None of the treasure. You can unmute Kalyani Ji.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yes, I think it is almost a get together of like a family of from Meher Baba Premi. So we need not thank each other for this because it's our privilege also to have participated in this gathering. So we can say thank you to each other like that. That's what I wanted to conclude. And at last moment,
Dhananjay is showing the padukas of Meher Baba and his bust which we have at home. Can you see it?
No, we cannot see it. Can you turn the camera?
Then you get the tray here. It's on another.
Can you unmute Bhagyashree? Yeah.
It's on another screen. Huh.
Hello, can you see this now?
Yes, we can see.
Yes. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
That is,
So can somebody speak from there? Because if you speak, then the screen comes on.
yes. These are padukas that Meher Baba has used, and they are with us in our house, and they are kept in our drawing room in a special shelf which is dedicated to Baba, along with the brass bust that you can see here. Yes. You want to say something?
Given by me.
Say it.
Bujun Bolu.
Huh.
Well, since I was actually this occasion when Baba had given this statue to my father, and it got it in Pune, and there are lots of things related to this, and the Paduka also, and there were lots of things. There is no limit to how I, no limit to the number of things which I would say. Then again, we are going to meet again. That's what you said. I'm looking forward to that day. One more thing which you could see easily is this is the drawing which I have drawn. This is Meher Baba's drawing which I have drawn in 1955, way back. And if you could see something, had I had the ability to move on my terrace, there are new things which have been done in this year itself, 2020 also, which are Palwe has seen.
Beautiful.
This is the drawing. It was a simple drawing paper.
So beautiful. Thank you, Uncle. Thank you for
My pleasure.
sharing these. Thank you for sharing these Baba's treasures.
You're most
with us. Thank you.
welcome home. Oh, this is your home.
Thank you. Thank you. So now we will
Yeah.
move towards the last part. We will play the Meher Dhun, followed by the Australian Aarti. And if we still have one or two hands up who were there earlier, we could have their sharings. And anybody who likes to greet the Deshmukh family, we will chat after the Dhun and the Australian Aarti. Avtar Meher Baba ki jai. Everyone kindly mute yourselves.
Meher Baba, 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 Meher Baba. बाबा मेहर 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 बाबा
अवतार मेहर बाबा की
बाबा
जय।
की जय।
Oh, glorious, eternal, ancient one, your face is a bright, transcendental sun. Lighten this dark world and the tears I weep. My heart, meher, I give to you to keep. Creator, yet creationless you are. Truth and truth's body, divine avatar. Through compassion, the three worlds maintain. Destroy this ignorance that life sustains. These five lights are the whirling spokes, the breath of the world's wheel that bears me on to death. Unless you are infinitely kind, break the wheels of which is conditioned mind. This incense is my love, these fruits my art, which to please you I have shaped from my heart. Accept them as you would a simple flower that has no use beyond its shining hour. You are myself, I sing to you in praise, and beg your love to bear me through the day. Till you, the ever-living perfect one, illume my darkness with your shining sun.
अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय. We'll have 1 minute of silence. अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय. Everyone can please unmute and we'll say Avatar Meher Baba ki jai 3 times. Avatar Meher Baba ki jai. Avatar Meher Baba ki jai. Avatar Meher Baba ki jai. Is there, we're getting some feedback. Your husband. So, is there anyone who would like to share something about the Deshmukh family? Greet them. Please feel free. Vijayji, anyone else who is here? Please unmute and share your love of Baba's grace. Oh, is that Digambarji? Would anybody like to ask or share any greetings with Kalyani ji and the Deshmukh family? Please do so. Or any memory,
Jai
any
Baba,
experience.
Jai Baba, Meher Kripa here. Yeah, she was to share one experience when her mother-in-law visited Myrtle Beach. She said she'll be narrating. Maybe it has been skipped, so we'll like to hear.
Hello. Huh. Yes, I forgot to talk about that incident. My mother-in-law had visited US in 1976 and she has attended the meeting at Myrtle Beach. I remember she was very happy and to go there, and she has very wonderful, warm memories of people from Myrtle Beach who welcomed her and treated her very affectionately, and she was very happy to be with them. And the gifts that she got from Myrtle Beach are still there, some of them with me, and she was very happy. And she attended the meeting of Baba lovers at that. And I don't remember the rest of the details, but I definitely remember that she was extremely happy to be with all the Baba lovers at Myrtle Beach. Yes.
Beautiful. Thank you so much, Kalyani ji. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you, ji.
Thank you.
Jai Baba.
Would anyone
I
else?
still remember Dr. Prabodh Deshmukh. He had worked as an interpreter in the absence of ARH when he had gone to South Indian troop, South India trip. So we'd like to hear
Yes.
some words.
तू साऊथ इंडियाला गेलो होता ना, गुंटूरला, हैदराबाद.
And gone to Andhra, and he was interpreter in the absence of Mr. ARH.
असं असं जे करतो ना, तू पाहिलं का?
सर, तुम्ही सांगणार का, प्रबोध सर? तुमचे मित्र सांगतायत आंध्राचं 1-2 मिनिटात की तुम्ही कसं ते गारू गारू
येत नाही.
You can unmute now.
Yeah. I recollect many things relevant to the visit to
Sorry.
Andhra Pradesh,
Yes.
with several sites like Guntur, Nidadavol, Kotapeta, Masulipatnam, and Guntur and whatnot. All those sites we were there with Meher Baba, going from place to place for almost 15 days we were together. And everywhere there used to be lots of gatherings and people coming over there, and we have strong memories about all those events then. But then it's very hard for me to interact a little more because I have not been really prepared to have any specific presentation for it. but it would be my pleasure to share this thinking with all the people. I was about 15 years old. It's about 65 years earlier story, 1955. And I was taking Baba's films of those days, and I was, well, I've taken many movie films of Meher Baba there, and these are accessible. And Irwin Luck was here in this very home when he had taken some of those things, and that is how it has now been distributed all over the world. In those days, I recollect also some interesting sights, situations. Meher Baba on the stage, and millions, thousands and thousands of people coming over there and touching him, and having their hands on his feet. But then there was a signal from some doctor that they asked me, Prabodh, now you tell those people to keep their hands a little away and how to talk in Telugu. So they taught us a little Telugu in 1955 then. I recollect all those the words. People used to come and we all used to say, I was close to Meher Baba then naturally, and telling everyone, Baba Garu, Padamulam Takavaddu, Baba Garu, Padamulam Takavaddu. And then going faster, Gaba 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 Gaba. Gaba Gaba means, and Ma Peru Prabodh Deshmukh, my name is Prabodh Deshmukh, Baba Garu Padamulam Takavaddu. And that is how there have been many such memories of the past. It has been very interesting, undoubtedly.
So please
Thank
now
you.
promise that you will come for one session. And
Yes,
Dr.
yes, we
Bhagyashree,
will.
sorry.
Well,
We will get uncle for one full session now.
Well, it's our pleasure. But thank you very much for even bearing us. So kind of you.
No,
And
thank you
that
for
time you will
sharing.
show he has preserved that camera with which he has taken all the films. More than 100 films he has shared with Irwin Luck. And he has still preserved that camera and the chair on which Baba had sat.
Very
So
much.
that I think in next session we'll see that.
Yes, yes. We
Sure.
will fix up. We will fix up. And we had some hands up before during the Aarti. Meher Renuka had her hand up to share her offering. So let's have Meher Renuka, and if Jack and Marj are back, we could have them as well. Meher Renuka, please unmute if you're there.
Hello. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Please start.
Can I sing a song? Bhajan?
Yes, yes. Please sing.
Okay.
Please. Jai Baba.
Avatar Meher Baba ki jai. Thank you, Baba, for giving me this opportunity. And just on 13th Jan, we celebrated Bhauji's birth anniversary. And on this occasion, I wanted to sing Bhauji's bhajan. Avatar Meher Baba ki jai. मेहर का साथ हो तो हकीकत है जिंदगी मेहर का साथ हो तो हकीकत है जिंदगी लेकिन वो दूर हो तो कयामत है जिंदगी लेकिन वो दूर हो तो कयामत है जिंदगी मेहर का साथ हो तो उनके ही दर्द में सदा दिल ही तड़प रहा उनके ही दर्द में सदा दिल ही तड़प रहा पर दर्द की ही आह से दौलत है जिंदगी पर दर्द की ही आह से दौलत है जिंदगी मेहर का साथ हो तो हकीकत है जिंदगी मेहर का साथ हो तो वे मोड़ ले मुख तो कहाँ सांसें भी चल सके वे मोड़ ले मुख तो कहाँ सांसें भी चल सके उनकी खुशी की एक अमानत है जिंदगी उनकी खुशी की एक अमानत है जिंदगी मेहर का साथ हो तो हकीकत है जिंदगी लेकिन वो दूर हो तो कयामत है जिंदगी मेहर का साथ हो तो उनका जो साथ मिल गया दीपक ही जल गया उनका जो हाथ मिल गया दीपक ही जल गया उनके ही साथ से बनी मोहब्बत है जिंदगी उनके ही साथ से बनी मोहब्बत है जिंदगी मेहर का साथ हो तो हकीकत है जिंदगी मेहर का साथ हो तो मांगी नहीं शराब पर मिल ही गई शराब मांगी नहीं शराब पर मिल ही गई शराब उनकी कृपा से आज बस जन्नत है जिंदगी उनकी कृपा से आज बस जन्नत है जिंदगी मेहर का साथ हो तो हकीकत है जिंदगी मेहर का साथ हो तो भाव हमेशा आँख से पानी बहाता क्यों भाव हमेशा आँख से पानी बहाता क्यों उनकी नजर की जान ले कीमत है जिंदगी उनकी नजर की जान ले कीमत है जिंदगी मेहर का साथ हो तो हकीकत है जिंदगी लेकिन वो दूर हो तो कयामत है जिंदगी मेहर का साथ हो तो अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय. In this song, Bhauji just explaining that if there is Meher Baba with you, the life is just like a heaven. And when the Baba is not with someone, the life is just like a hell. And he is expressing his feeling towards Baba in every stanza. And while singing or while writing this song, he was just crying and he was just devoted all this stanzas to Baba. Avatar Meher Baba ki jai. Thank you, Baba. Thank you, everyone. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba Roshni ji. Sorry
So
for coming in.
beautiful. So beautiful.
Sorry for coming in between without raising hand.
No, no.
Another daughter of Dr. Kalyani, Dr. Arundhati, who stays in Pune. She is also there and she can sing a bit. Yes, she can perform. Jai Baba. Dr. Arundhati.
Hello?
Would Arundhati like to sing a song?
Yeah, I would.
Hi, Arundhati. Jai Meher Baba.
Hi, Jai Meher Baba.
Please begin. You can just lower your
Okay.
camera slightly so we can see you
Okay.
well. Yes.
Is this okay?
Yes.
Okay, I'll sing a small bhajan by Sant Jnaneshwar. So this is my offering to Baba lovers, and I'm very thankful to all of you for hosting this evening, and I'm happy to be here. So I'll begin. मोगरा फुलला मोगरा फुलला मोगरा फुलला मोगरा फुलला फुले वेचता बहरू कळियासी आला मोगरा फुलला मोगरा फुलला मोगरा फुलला मोगरा फुलला इवले से रोपा लावियले द्वारी इवले से रोपा लावियले द्वारी तया सावेलू गेला गगनावरी मोगरा फुलला मोगरा फुलला मोगरा फुलला मोगरा फुलला मनाची गुंती गुंफियला शेला बाप रखुमा देवी वरी विठ्ठली अर्पिला मोगरा फुलला मोगरा फुलला मोगरा फुलला मोगरा फुलला फुले वेचता बहरू कळियासी आला मोगरा फुलला मोगरा फुलला जय बाबा
Jai Baba. That was beautiful. Thank you, Arundhati.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
What a family full of treasures and such soulful voices. And Meher Krupa, Renuka, who sang Bhauji's Gadar, just reminded me what Baba's love can do. Because Bhauji is someone who always told Baba he can't write anything. And then all his life, he just wrote things that we cherish today in Baba's love. So beautiful. Thank you so much, Baba, for having us all together day after day in your love and being together as this one huge family in his universe. So, is there anything anybody else would like to share?
Jai Baba Roshni.
Jai Baba Nandini ji.
Yeah, I'm so happy to be with you for the first time, but I just can't stop saying because I had only heard about Deshmukh family from Dr. G.S.N. Murthy. It was through them that he had exactly come to Baba, Dr. Deshmukh. Can you hear?
Yes, yes, we can hear Nandini ji.
So all his because we had only heard about through him about the Deshmukh family, and it was so nice to see them all. Right now, I just had my cataract operation, so I was not following all these programs. Just joining today. So thank you, Baba, for the nice time, Roshni, and it was just lovely to be with everyone and beautiful singing. Thank you, Baba, and thank you, Roshni, for
No, no,
making
no. Thank you only to
gathering
Baba.
us all.
No,
Gathering
no,
us all.
no,
Okay.
no.
Jai
Thank you to
Baba. Jai
Baba.
Baba to
Jai Meher
everyone.
Baba. Yes.
Jai Baba Meher Kripa ji. We are on WhatsApp if you remember. Jai Baba.
Jai
Jai
Baba.
Baba.
Great. So we will conclude our today's lovely satsang and thank Baba again and again and again to bring us all together. Thank you so much, everyone. The Circle of Friends has Aarti twice a day. Please feel free to join in every day, 7:30 a.m., 7:30 p.m. IST, not Indian stretchable time, Indian standard time, everyone. So be there and join in Baba's love to share your offerings. So good night, good day in Baba's love to everyone. And see you all tomorrow for the 7 realities meditation that we do every Sunday at 6 p.m. India time, 7:30 a.m. EST. Please join us for these beautiful Sundays in Baba's love that we meditate and do Baba's Nam Jap at 6 p.m. on Sundays. Thank you so much and good night, everyone. Avatar Meher
Meher
Baba
Baba
ki
ki
jai.
jai.
Avatar
Baba
Meher
ki jai.
Baba ki jai.
Avatar Meher Baba
Avatar
ki
Meher
jai.
Ki
Baba
jai.
Meher Baba ki jai. Thank you, Baba.
Avatar
Meher Baba ki jai.
ki jai.
Jai. Thank you. Thank you. Jai Baba.
Jack and Marge, do you want to? I just see that you're online. Would you like to share something since your hand was up before the Aarti? Would Jack and Marge like to share anything before the sign off? Even Marilyn's hand was up. Meher's hand is up right now, but Marilyn or Jack and Marge, if you want to share before we close. Meher, please go ahead and unmute yourself.
Roshni, play the dhun once more, please, if you can.